Pythons. Pythons are large, non-venomous snakes known for their powerful bodies and method of killing prey by constriction. They are found mainly in Africa, Asia, and Australia, often living in forests, grasslands, and near water. Instead of using venom, they wrap around their prey and slowly squeeze until it can no longer breathe. Some species, like the reticulated python, can grow to enormous lengths, making them some of the longest snakes in the world. Their strength and size make them top predators in their environment. Boas. Boas are close relatives of pythons and also kill by constriction rather than venom. They are mostly found in the Americas, especially in tropical regions like the Amazon rainforest. The boa constrictor is one of the most well-known members of this group. Unlike pythons, boas give birth to live young instead of laying eggs. They are strong and slow-moving, often ambushing prey rather than chasing it. Cobras. Cobras are venomous snakes famous for their ability to raise the front part of their body and spread a hood when threatened. They are mainly found in Asia and Africa. Their venom affects the nervous system, which can quickly lead to paralysis. The king cobra, the largest venomous snake in the world, even feeds on other snakes. Cobras have a long history in human culture, especially in India, where they are often respected and feared. Vipers. Vipers are venomous snakes known for their long, hinged fangs and potent venom. They are found in many parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas. Their venom is usually hemotoxic, meaning it damages blood and tissue. Vipers often have triangular heads and thick bodies, and they rely on camouflage to ambush prey. Some species, like the gaboon viper, have some of the longest fangs of any snake. Rattlesnakes. Rattlesnakes are a group of venomous snakes found mainly in North and South America. They are known for the rattle at the end of their tail, which they shake to warn threats. Their venom is strong and used to subdue prey quickly. Rattlesnakes usually live in dry environments like deserts and grasslands. Their warning system makes them unique among snakes, often giving humans a chance to avoid danger. Anacondas. Anacondas are among the heaviest snakes in the world and are found in South America. They live mostly in water, such as rivers and swamps, where their massive bodies are easier to move. The green anaconda is the most famous species and can grow extremely large. Like boas and pythons, they are non-venomous and kill by constriction. Their size and strength make them powerful predators. Sea snakes. Sea snakes are highly venomous snakes that spend most or all of their lives in the ocean. They are mainly found in the warm coastal waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Their bodies are adapted for swimming, with flattened tails that act like paddles. Although their venom is very strong, they are generally not aggressive toward humans. They feed mostly on fish and are rarely seen on land. Coral snakes. Coral snakes are small but highly venomous snakes known for their bright red, yellow, and black bands. They are found in the Americas and parts of Asia. Their venom affects the nervous system and can be very dangerous. Despite their bright colors, they are usually shy and prefer to avoid humans. Their color pattern has also led to many harmless snakes evolving similar looks as a form of protection. Mambas. Mambas are fast and highly venomous snakes found in Africa. The black mamba is especially well known for its speed and powerful neurotoxic venom. These snakes are usually slender and active during the day, often hunting birds and small mammals. Despite their reputation, they usually avoid humans unless threatened. Their speed and agility make them some of the most feared snakes in their region. Garter snakes. Garter snakes are small, non-venomous snakes commonly found in North America. They are often seen in gardens, forests, and near water. These snakes are harmless to humans and play an important role in controlling insect and rodent populations. They are easy to recognize by the stripes running along their bodies. Because of their adaptability, they are one of the most widespread snakes in their range. Milk snakes. Milk snakes are non-venomous snakes found in North and Central America. They are often brightly colored and are sometimes mistaken for coral snakes. Their name comes from an old myth that they drink milk from cows, which is not true. Milk snakes are harmless and feed on small animals like rodents and birds. Their ability to mimic venomous species helps protect them from predators. King snakes. King snakes are non-venomous snakes known for their ability to eat other snakes, including venomous ones. They are found in the Americas and are highly adaptable to different environments. Their resistance to venom allows them to hunt species that other predators avoid. King snakes are strong constrictors and play an important role in controlling snake populations. Rat snakes. Rat snakes are non-venomous snakes found in many parts of the world, especially in North America and Asia. They are excellent climbers and often live near human settlements where they feed on rodents. Their presence is actually helpful as they reduce pest populations. Rat snakes can vary greatly in color and size depending on the region they live in. Water snakes. Water snakes are non-venomous snakes that live in or near freshwater environments like lakes and ponds. They are commonly found in North America. These snakes are strong swimmers and feed mostly on fish and amphibians. They are often mistaken for venomous species like cottonmouths, but they are harmless to humans. Their behavior can seem defensive, especially disturbed. Bushmasters. Bushmasters are large venomous snakes found in Central and South America. They belong to the viper family and have powerful hemotoxic venom. These snakes live in dense forests and are mostly active at night. Bushmasters are known for their size and quiet nature, often staying hidden in leaf litter. Encounters with humans are rare, but their bite can be very serious. Blind snakes. Blind snakes are small, burrowing snakes that resemble earthworms. They are found in many parts of the world and live mostly underground. These snakes are non-venomous and feed on insects like ants and termites. Their eyes are very small and not well developed, which is why they are called blind snakes. Despite their simple appearance, they play an important role in soil ecosystems.